Hello, a chuirde séireátha agus bhuairgéad míle fáilte go seáú ifigiil Trasna na Donta fiche fiche cethair. You're very welcome to the official launch of Trasna na Donta 2024. Is me clúna ní cárain agus is teagas go Gaelic mé in Ulscoil Ottawa Scolarat ICUP, sin é an Ireland Canada University Foundation. ICUP have been running a Clar Gaelic in Ottawa in Canada since 2009, and I'm delighted to be teaching Irish here in Canada's capital city. This year we're celebrating 8 years of Trasna na Donta after it was established by ICUF in 2017. So whether you're tuning in every year since 2017 or whether this is your first year to faru na fáilte roamh ar fad and so to dul go mór le himachtaí na seachtaine seo. Limerdal Biggie Jagwell Lynn in Sna Trachtana Biol and Shaw. Let us know where you're tuning in from around the world. Bemisha Rashlib again couple nomad no inish to couple buckle ambassador in the Heron go Canada. We're delighted to have an official welcome from Ireland's ambassador to Canada, John Concannon.
Jeeve, John Concannon is Adam Dum, ambassador na Heron go Canada. Agus tá áthas labhairt libhniu faoi Trasna na Donta an feachtas idirnáisiúnta chun bhréilge a ciúra fud an domhan. Is ionta an rud é go mbeidh strá imachtaí agus córa le siúil fud Canada agus fud an domhan le haghaidh Trasna na Donta. Hello, my name is John Concannon, Ireland's ambassador to Canada, and I'm delighted to talk to you today to support the hashtag Trasna na Donta, the international campaign to celebrate the Irish language all around the world. It's brilliant that there's such a great series of events and conversations taking place across Canada and around the world for this year's Trasna na Donta. The Irish language, our language, is one of the oldest languages in the world, has been spoken for 2,000 years. Irish is a poetic, descriptive, lyrical language. It's Bralam the Shanachal. I love the Shanachals like our Shka, a Chéile, a Warren, Nadine. We live in each other's shelter and protection. Agus tá ambassad na Héireann í Canada broadúil agus takeíocht a chóirt don Gaeilge ag obair the Canada University Foundation from the east of Canada to the west of Canada, agus hopefully expanding to Vancouver next year le Cúnamh J. This year, Trasna na Donta is partnering with Conradh Gaeilge and Cowra campaign to celebrate the Irish language. So we have got branches and community groups all around Canada celebrating and doing things and events. And I encourage you to take part. Tugtar Cura Ditch Goléir part at Glaco. Everybody take part. Guramila Mahagat. Have a great Trasna na Donta.
Nach is spraggle aid na fopli sin níl indoubt murdered and tabastor gur scat a Chéile a warning which, and that's what this campaign is all about. It's about coming together ag chat le Chéile agus ag fólam na Gaeilge ag loirt na Gaeilge agus ag ceilriú na Gaeilge. Nes again couple of bommete be muchud Maclean ag chat at Jeff sa Shomra Ranga agus to still going which couple of focal wahu shin. Kennedy ag fólam na Gaeilge, who would have thought? Agur dús spire, tam tol Trasna na Donta a réist go Héireann, le couple focal ein o Uachtaran chonrú na Gaeilge sinní Paula Melvin.
A chuirde, mar Uachtaran chonrú na Gaeilge, tá riméid go bhfuil Córa agus Trasna na Donta ag teach le Chéile an chéadúir mlíne. Agus tá áthas go bhfuil a choáid brú le haicúf ríis chun an Gaeilge curchan cín bheann idirnáisiúnta. Mar Uachtaran an chonartha, bíonn sé de fribhléid gom taú le agus cuairt na hort a craobhcha ach go háirithe in Éireann. Agus óan go Chéile, Trasna na Donta in átainna nós Washington DC an Bheilg agus bailíocha na Frank na Gearmáine chuma. Bháil am cuir thuairt do chuile gine más beld an chonarthú go fáil an mna bhfuil Pórta Ghlacha i Gcóra agus i Trasna na Donta le linn na seachtaine seo beag neart imachtaí ag tiise amach ar líne ar nós bingo loco agus ceardlan aráníochta agus yoga agus neart eile agus beag grúpi ar fud na crunne a Ghlacha Pórta ó Chailte Guio go Méricha. Bíigí linn.
Gur bhíle maigad a fála as na foclaí spraggle lei sin agus as léargas a thuirtúin ar rinst na himachtaí a bheits ag tiite amach le linn na seachtaine seo. And nish, down on scale, you can find all of the events that are happening on Trasna na Donta online at trasnanadonta.ie and on social media at Trasna na Donta on Twitter, X, agus Instagram. Nish, special guest time. Got to get Jack a card. Ta co-leader agam anish a card ta Bert So we'll put Maclean, Lum, and you to Alex. I was to Gabriella, but Charles Jack, Gabriella. So Gabriella and Alex hopefully are going to tell us a little bit about why they're learning Irish or their language learning journey. Maybe we'll start with Alex. All right, Alex.
Good morning, I'm Alex. I'm learning Irish as a part of my cultural heritage. Half my family is Irish, the other half is Scottish, so it's very deep in the soul, and I'm hoping to learn a lot more throughout the next coming year.
Good morning, Alex. Good morning again. Alex Gabriella.
Due to the harde ismische alle, tame Ianlin san Oscar Ottawa, agus tame ik volum verla agus Lean Keltach. And Rui, Hog Rangana san Oscar Lake Cleanan y Curran is winter go jas eve.
Oh, good.
Agus, and Sour so catcha, be me and Aaron y Godamara le Icuf. Is Aaron go Holland. Agus inish, Togum Rangana Gaelic, Santak Taberna Itober Treat. Guramila Maggot.
Gurb my good pain. Gurb my good purges. My point. That was a kind. My shit. Ita, well, Gurb me my good purge, Gabriella, Agus, Alex. Knuckle chicken. And I know that Gabriella and Alex are not alone in their language learning journey, and the Clark Gaelic of ICUF spans all across Canada, many universities and institutions, and I also know that there are students learning Irish in the United States and all over the world. So if that applies to you, let us know in the comments. Let us know where you are in the world, if you're learning Irish, if you're speaking Irish. We'd love to hear from you. And Nish, ta trasna na dulta bagnacht shulta a charge. Rahmas trasna anish go harda stach in the giltachta a chachta dala Thomas Byrne huntus effigal a chur le factus na blina shaw.
Díomh a chuirte agus fáilte to everybody tuning in. Tá mé anna hásta bheith an seo living jobh, fiú más go fíorú lei, chun tús a chuir leis an bhachtas iontaach seo. I want to extend céad míle fáilte to all of you, especially those joining us from across the world. Today marks the beginning of a fantastic celebration of the Irish language, Trasna Dunta 2024. I'd like to thank Cliona Ní Chorán for hosting from the University of Ottawa, and I would like to recognise the involvement of Ambassador John Concannon, whose presence highlights the strong ties between our countries. This year, I'm especially pleased to recognise the deepening partnership between the Ireland-Canada University Foundation and Conradh na Gaeilge. This collaboration will strengthen the global reach of Trasna Dunta in promoting and preserving the Irish language. Tá mé cinnte go mbeidh an ócáid seo ag dul ó neart go neart a bhuíochas a tacaíocht Conradh na Gaeilge mar phríomh chomhartaí ar an tógra. The theme for this year's Trasna Dunta is storytelling, a theme that will resonate deeply with the Irish tradition. After all, Ireland has one of the richest folklore traditions in the world, so I encourage everybody, no matter your level of Irish, to join online and share your own stories. Is cuma mas cainteoir lífathú? No mátá tú díreach ag tosú amach leis an Gaeilge, seo deis chun an teanga a cheiliúra agus nasc a crothú leithí. As we celebrate the week of language, culture and stories, I want to thank all of you who are making the event possible. From the team at the ICUF and Conradh na Gaeilge, to the Teagascóirí and the ambassadors who work with us every day, Gurav Mila Mahagov, Scapagi and Scale Trasna Dunta, across the waves and beyond. Gurav Mahagov Galer, Agus Buenigi Tatnev Asan Tachtan.
Sin a chuirde tá trasna na dulta fiha cahar bio anish. Don't forget, Trasna Dunta is running all week until Friday, the 25th of October. Janigi Renihil, get two sacha horch Danulig and chat and shaw. Try and use whatever Irish you have this week. Maybe that's a couple of words a day, a couple of focal, no korachi omlana, no full sentences, full conversations. Whatever it is, try to use it this week. We especially encourage you to make contact with your friends across the waves, Trasna na Dunta. Send that text message, make that phone call you've been meaning to make to your friends, Trasna na Dunta. Bíogaí Cora, Scapagaí and Gaelic agus Buenigi Sult as and Chachta. You can take part in the campaign all week on socials by using the hashtag Trasna na Dunta. Soms go get a crawl a bheagin inis ag an cut second ó dhéireamid ó Ghuileadain. Carolum as Ottawa a Dolan Gaelig agus Tiol Traditionte na Héireann an seo in Ottawa, Canada. A finis wumsa cléine ní chorain ó ar an aicof agus fearin conir na Gaelige gur mí maigah agus slanpo.